In this video, let's see how to configure the Microsoft Word add-in for ServiceNow Contracts on macOS. To begin, select the All menu. In the search bar, type Manifest. Select Office Add-in Manifests. Select ServiceNow Contract. On the form, click Download Manifest. Select a folder and save the manifest file on your system. Locate the manifest file in your system and copy it. Navigate to the path displayed on your screen. Create a folder named WEF and save the manifest file inside it. Open a Word document. In the Add-ins menu, select ServiceNow Contracts. Enter your ServiceNow instance credentials and click Login. The contract templates available in your ServiceNow instance appears on the add-in screen. The Microsoft add-in for ServiceNow Contracts is now configured for your instance.